Got unwanted background noise in your video? Here's how to remove it in Adobe Premiere Rush. First, open your project and select the audio clip that has the noise. Next, go to the audio panel and click on Reduce Noise. Adjust the settings until the background noise is minimized. Use the volume controls to ensure the dialogue or main sounds are still clear after noise reduction. Let me know in the comments if you have removed the background noise. Now your audio is crystal clear. Enjoy smooth sound with no distractions. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.